Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved. First, choose your server type. Player versus environment, or PvE, is ideal for beginners to avoid player combat. Next, select a spawn point, with beaches offering a safer initial experience. Immediately begin gathering essential resources like wood, thatch, and stone. Crafting a stone pickaxe and hatchet will significantly speed up your resource collection, setting you up for early survival. Once you have some resources, focus on building a basic shelter. Start by placing a foundation on a relatively flat surface. Then, add walls and a doorway to create an enclosed area. Don't forget a roof to protect yourself from the elements and wild creatures. Finally, craft a storage box to secure your hard-earned items, preventing them from being lost if you are defeated. Taming dinosaurs is a core part of Ark. Begin by knocking out a smaller, less aggressive creature, perhaps with a slingshot. Once unconscious, place its preferred food, such as berries for a dodo or meat for a dilophosaur, into its inventory. You'll also need to administer narcotics or narcoberries to maintain its unconsciousness. Stay vigilant and protect your future companion from other wild animals until the taming bar reaches 100%. As you progress, leveling up your character is crucial. Every action, from gathering to crafting, grants experience points. Use these points to unlock new engrams, allowing you to craft more advanced items like metal tools or stronger armor. Don't be afraid to explore. New biomes offer unique resources and exciting challenges. Always prepare for expeditions by bringing extra supplies, weapons, and a reliable tamed creature to ensure your survival.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.